I'm Rachel.
And I'm Catherine.
And we're the co-founders of Tiny Earth Toys.
And we're so excited to introduce Tiny Spaces,
the first dollhouse that converts into a bookshelf. The toy industry is the most plastic-intensive industry in the world. 90% of children's toys are made of plastic, and 80% end up in landfills, incinerators, or the ocean. But what's more, we're teaching our children that what we buy is disposable. We've spent the last 4 years learning about play and keeping toys in use. We launched the first ever national toy rental program, and thousands of families from across the United States rented their toys with us. And we learned that imaginative play is the play that parents value most, which makes sense based on the value for social-emotional development. But dollhouses, a staple of imaginative play, are ready for a revamp. Families have told us that they're made of flimsy materials and they're not engaging for very long.
Introducing Tiny Spaces, the first dollhouse that converts to a bookshelf. Every single feature of this dollhouse was designed to improve the quality and duration of children's play, and to reduce toy waste.
We learned that this dollhouse needed to be a tall structure, so children can play at eye level. Big enough for multiple children to play together. Have 360 spin to create motion and engagement. Be a modular design so it can stay in use for decades. Have a convertible structure that can become anything with our soon-to-launch conversion kits. Aesthetically beautiful, matching the design of a modern home. Have engaging accessories with hinges, swings, and doors. Have a convenient drawer to store all the small parts. And finally, be made of sustainable, heirloom quality designs.
Designing this has been a dream come true. Please help us keep toys in use and out of landfills.
Please back us and share this story with your friends. Together, we can reimagine imaginative play.